Now, it's really not quite that magical, guys, but what you want to do first is season your chicken up with salt. I just got about 5 thighs here. Some of that wonderful ground black pepper. A few good cracks here. A wee bit of onion powder. Some garlic to keep Count Dracula away. This is about a teaspoon of each, I guess. Some smoked paprika. Just gotta have this stuff. And of course, we're gonna flip these thighs over and do the same for the other side. Now, you can use whatever seasoning you like. This is just my favorite. And be as aggressive as you like. I just love the seasoning. Alrighty then, next up, some oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Chicken in, skin side down. Listen to that sizzle. And we're gonna fry this up until we get a sear on the skin side and everything is cooked through. Now these are gonna take, I'd say about 5 or 6 minutes on each side, guys, depending on your thighs. And you don't have to use thighs. I just like them because they, add that extra flavor, but you can use breast too if you like. Okay guys, now our chicken is beautifully done. So I'll go ahead and set these guys aside on a plate. Do they ever smell good already? Now in the same pan, in with a couple of tablespoons of butter. I'll just let this melt down. This is unsalted butter. Now we'll just go ahead and deglaze this pan a little bit. All kinds of wonderful flavors happening there. Now in with a half a cup of honey. I just love you, honey. About 2 tablespoons of that Canadian maple syrup, just to give it that mapley taste. A couple of tablespoons of dark soy sauce to balance out that sweetness. And last but not least, 2 tablespoons, believe it or not, yes, barbecue sauce, just to give it that hickory effect. Oh, this is going to be so good, guys. And once it begins to bubble, you're just about to the point of caramelization. So we're going to get that chicken into that wonderful sauce. I can smell it now. Don't forget those juices. Now let's spoon some of that ever so delicious sauce over the chicken. Just look at this, guys. It's just about to the point of caramelizing now. Oh. So I'm just going to reduce the heat a little bit here and let this simmer away in that beautiful sauce while spooning it over top the chicken for about 5 or 10 minutes. Oh my goodness, this is crazy good. Just look at this. After a few minutes, let's grab these up. And we'll go ahead and plate these up. Spectacular. Some more of that delicioso sauce over the top. Oh, absolutely stunning. Garnish it up with some green onions just for that appearance and fresh pop. Oh my goodness. And there you have it, guys, our absolutely delicious one-pan honey maple glazed chicken. Oh, so good. Okay, let's dig in here, guys, and see what we have. Get some sauce on there. And just look at this, guys. Look at that sauce just drizzle down off the chicken. Oh, this is going to be so fantastic. There's only one word for this: heavenly. It is so good. You can taste that smokiness, that maple syrup, the sweetness of the honey. This is incredible. You got to make this. So good. Of course, I'm gonna have more.